Every year, more than 1 million people lose their lives on the world's roads. I urge all of you to take action.
In the UNECE region, every day over 400 people die because of road crashes. The United Nations Economic Commission for Europe, 56 countries of North America, the Caucasus, Central Asia and Europe has been working to improve road safety for over 60 years. In 2010, the United Nations General Assembly declared its first ever decade of action on road safety. It provides an opportunity for action on national, regional and global level.
Well, I think road safety is people on the road being comfortable and people not getting hurt, like accidents.
Il faut s'arrêter dans le feu rouge et il faut porter des trucs qui reflètent la lumière dans le noir.
Being safe all around the street.
Imagine if you're on a motorbike on a road and someone's walking and then the motorbike goes and hits the person and then the person dies.
The UNECE develops many international legal instruments for road users like you and me and for professional drivers. These include an internationally coordinated plan for the construction and development of the e-road network extending from Central Asia to Western Europe, UN conventions on road traffic and on road signs and signals, and common formats for international and national driving permits. The UNECE also developed rules for professional drivers working internationally, such as on the use of tachographs. And its book on the transport of dangerous goods by road is the UN's best-selling publication. Accession, implementation and enforcement of the UNECE legal norms is up to governments. Without their political commitment, there can be no progress. Compliance is up to drivers, pedestrians and cyclists. It is up to all of us.
I saw this motorbike that was crashed down and this man which was really hurt.
We're going at the speed limit and people are still overtaking us. Just seems they're going too fast.
Some people kind of cut in front.
They're often drinking or eating.
They're like the bad people and they drink and drive and they just go crazy, and then the other people that are good people, they're the ones that get affected or hurt.
Road safety starts with prevention. Prevention that addresses safe roads, safe vehicles and safe behavior. A key component is for governments to adopt national strategies. Strategies that include ambitious but achievable and measurable targets. There is already progress. Many regional and national strategies are in place. The results are encouraging. However, in several countries, serious government attention and vigorous measures are still lacking. Of 56 UNECE countries, 20 still need to establish road safety improvement targets.
A safe road infrastructure is a key pillar of road safety. Some roads can kill. On the other hand, a forgiving road will save lives. A forgiving road is one that allows you to make a mistake and it protects you from the mistakes made by others. They're designed so that if you have an accident, it won't be made worse by what you might hit at the roadside.
In my country, the roads are really bumpy and there's a lot of dust and you can't see anything.
Lots of bumps and most of them are muddy.
They just drive past and then people go, whoa.
I live in a little village, so everybody drives really well with these pretty big roads and everything.
Everywhere, there's crazy people that break the laws. There's crazy people everywhere.
Making vehicles safer is a significant part of increasing road safety. UNECE hosts the World Forum for Harmonization of Vehicle Regulations, an intergovernmental body with over 50 countries that covers the production of almost all vehicles.
I think that what would make cars safer is if they had double seat belts in a kind of X cross, so you'd be less likely to go flying.
A sort of a bumper or something that will absorb the impact when there's an accident.
Because there's a lot of zebra crossings and stuff like that, maybe they could make them go a bit slower.
Only police should have with fast cars.
You can just put the seatbelt and you're safe.
Road users' behavior is one of the most crucial pillars of road safety and at the same time the most difficult to address.
My dad's a good driver.
My mom doesn't drive, but she can drive in my country because she knows the roads there, but here she doesn't really recognize the roads.
Ils conduisent bien en Suisse, mais mon père, il conduit pas exactement bien en Sri Lanka.
Very safely. But when they're not with me, they don't drive so safely anymore.
UNECE develops and manages many international conventions and agreements tackling the main road safety risks. Speeding, drink driving, not using seatbelts or helmets are often key factors in road deaths and injuries. However, irresponsibility, poor judgment, or plain ignorance are the true reasons.
Accident véhicule, matière dangereuse, chimie, autoroute A.
En arrivant sur le site d'un accident où un camion-citerne est impliqué, notre première préoccupation, ce sera naturellement de connaître l'état du chauffeur du véhicule, des éventuels passagers, des autres impliqués, mais aussi de préparer des mesures de sécurité pour notre propre personnel, à savoir est-ce que le produit est dangereux ou pas, est-ce qu'il est toxique, corrosif. Ces pictogrammes sont donc indispensables pour des services de sécurité, des services de secours dans le cadre d'une intervention de ce type. Dans une deuxième phase, nous travaillerons plutôt avec le numéro ONU pour connaître la typologie du produit en lui-même de manière précise et de pouvoir commencer les actions par rapport à l'accident. Si le chauffeur du camion ou de l'engin respecte les législations, il ne devrait pas y avoir de problème. Le chauffeur doit aussi connaître les matières qu'il transporte afin de donner tout de suite les bonnes indications à la centrale d'alarme qui va traiter l'appel de secours en cas d'accident.
I'd like to invite all of you to support the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe and other regional commissions in their work for improved road safety. Now is the time to take note. Now is the time to act. Now is the time to contribute.
Дорожная безопасность зависит от нас. Водите автомобиль строго по правилам.
For more than 6 decades, United Nations Economic Commission in Europe has worked to improve road safety and save lives. That effort is vital. Every day, thousands of people are killed on the world's roads. Children are especially at risk. This is a growing public health crisis, but we can stop it. The UN Decade of Action for Road Safety is a chance to save countless lives and prevent terrible suffering. Together, let us get on the road to a safer world for all.